The importance of organizing test files.
Keeping your test files organized helps your coding projects grow smoothly. Well-structured tests make it easier to maintain code, spot bugs, and collaborate with others. A clear test structure means anyone joining your project can quickly understand how to run tests and ensure everything works as expected.
Where should test files go?
A common best practice is to place all your test files in a dedicated folder, often called tests or test at the root of your project. Some projects put tests next to the code they test, with file names that start or end with test. The key is consistency. Choose a structure that fits your team and stick with it.
Naming your test files and folders.
Use clear, descriptive names for your test files and folders. For example, if you have a file called calculator.py, name its test file testcalculator.py. This makes it obvious what each test covers. Consistent naming lets test runners easily find and execute your tests, no matter the language.
Grouping tests by type or feature.
Organize your tests into folders based on their purpose. You might separate unit tests, integration tests, and end-to-end tests. Some projects group tests by feature or module, like a folder for user authentication tests. This grouping helps you find and manage tests as your code base grows.
Writing and running your tests.
No matter where you store your tests, use your language's recommended testing framework. Follow its conventions for naming and structuring test files. Automate running your tests with tools like continuous integration so you catch problems early. Well-organized, automated tests keep your project reliable and easy to maintain.